I've never been a big fan of Legos, and have actually never put together anything with a Lego set. My son and his family are big Lego fans. This year he got a Titanic for Christmas, which is something over 9,000 pieces, and they put that together. My grandson, wanting to get me involved, got me the Lego Typewriter, which is only 2,000 pieces, and which is a good way for me to learn about Legos. So let's see what's inside the box. Well, I finished my Lego typewriter. 13 and a half, 14 hours putting pieces together, something over 2,000 pieces and several hundred pages of instructions. It should have taken a little bit less time than that, but I had some trouble finding some of the smaller pieces, and there were a couple of occasions where I had to take things apart because I'd put them together wrong. But all in all, it looks like a pretty good display model. It operates a little bit like a real typewriter. Sounds like a typewriter. It doesn't actually print, but the carriage moves. You can put paper in it. And all in all, it's a pretty good looking model.